Hi, this is SmartDesigner's technical support team. Today, I'm going to show you 3D draping. Open Drape image mode, selecting 4 colors. 3D draping is that you can put the 3 patterns on your real product. Let's say this is your clothes, and you want to see how it's applied when you put the patterns on it. First, click the Define Pattern button, and define the outline of the part you want to fill in with the pattern. This part is very similar with color mask, but it's different that we will give 3D effect zone. As we did on color mask, you can make it precise by zooming in. Once you're done, click OK and click inside of the defined part and draw a straight line and type inch. And then clicking complete the current pattern button, you're done. Then I'm defining grid to give 3D effects. Be sure to make the arrows face upwards right after you click the Define Grid button. By adding lines and points, you can give more detailed 3D effects so the patterns will be applied very naturally and realistically. 3D draping is very useful because you can not only use for clothes but also for shoes, accessories, for blankets, and whatever you want. And I'm trying to make it detailed by adjusting the dots. If you want, you can also add more vertical or horizontal lines and add also the dots on the line. And if you are done, close the window, and then I think we should also do the draping for the pants too. So to define the outline and define the grid. Click inside of the part and draw the straight line and make the arrows upwards, and then we are defining the curve. It's actually very easy, so I believe that you can try out by yourself. And just import the pattern you want on the image list on the left hand side, and click the right mouse button and click Drape Object. Then it's applied in selected part right away. You can change the sidle pattern and brightness and contrast so that you can make it perfectly applied. As you can see, it's very natural and realistic. So with this 3D draping, you don't need to make real samples, but just by clicking a few buttons, you can get this looking real sample image. You can add pattern whatever you want, and you can even make by yourself on the other image modes such as general image mode or whip or knit image mode. See, it's so real. You can give more detailed 3D effect to show the curve and crease on the pattern by editing the grid. You can utilize it on any image. So I'm going to import a new one, and as you can see, just a few clicks, you can easily apply the patterns on your products. And change the size, and also you can type the precise the measurements. So that's it about 3D draping. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for listening.